Here we go.
Pose estimation is also useful for things like predicting behavior. Instead of just knowing there's a person in front of a car,
using the AI module. So you can see there it's detecting me as a person, and I'm holding various different things up to the camera.
Today we are unboxing the Raspberry Pi AI kit. Let's dive in and see what's inside.
This is a detection application. It uses YOLO v6n as a default. It also supports YOLO v8s.
So speaking of Raspberry Pi, that we CStudio actually act as the approved reseller and also design partner for years. And our Raspberry Pi-based hardwares and devices are widely used across different industries in the global world already.
Yep, we have released several industry-grade Raspberry Pi-based products like this gateway, router, HMI, and we also released a lot of Raspberry Pi hats and boards for the Raspberry Pi developers.
Yeah, exactly. So for today's live show, let me open up the topics for today. Today, Aidan and I will go through our latest interesting benchmarking for Raspberry Pi and AI, and pre-introduce our M2 hat for Raspberry Pi 5. And also, we are going to showcase how to combine this little powerful Raspberry Pi AI together with our CM4-based hardware and make it get real use for real-world problems and help people solve problems. So, and oh yes, we've got some really amazing prizes up for grabs for only you in this live show today.
Yep, I have some inside information. Today's prize will be very generous.
Yeah, exactly, Aidan, you know a lot, okay? So actually today we've gonna have 3 roundups for lucky draws. We're gonna have 2 Raspberry Pi AI kit, which is worth $70 each, and 1 Raspberry Pi based gateway recompute R1000, which is worth $200 for you to get the lucky draw. And so the rules is very simple. So just follow up our guide and leave any of your comments and your ideas in our comment box. And every lucky draw round, I will gonna have my phone here and capture my screen very randomly and select the very first top user as our lucky draw winner. So just feel free to share everything you wanted to talk with us, okay? And besides that, we also prepared 10% off for this Raspberry Pi Gateway Recompute R1000 and also 10 free coupon code for M2 hat for you. So only for you for this live room, okay? So just stay with us and get ready to win.
Yep, that's great. Let's get started.
All right, so speaking of Raspberry Pi and AI, Aidan, I know nowadays it's really, the Raspberry Pi and AI is really the talk of the town among all of the Raspberry Pi enthusiasts, right?
Yep. You know, now everyone and every company is talking about AI.
Yeah.
Our CStudio, our sales slogan is the AI hardware partner. And we are very glad to see that Raspberry Pi released their own AI product. You know, the 13 TOPS Hello AI accelerator.
Yeah, exactly. So I think, Aidan, you as a product product manager, I'm pretty sure you have seen a lot of related information about that. So why don't you just share some interesting takeaways with us? For example, what kind of topics are they talking about? Or what kind of topics are they interested in?
Yeah, we're seeing a lot of discussing in the community that Raspberry Pi users are wondering the performance of the Google Coral and the Neo Hello AI, and they also want to know the difference between the PCIe speed, whether it impacts the AI performance to the Hello.
Yeah, exactly. That sounds already a lot of information, right? And I also saw our engineers were doing some benchmarks these days in our office. So why don't you just introduce a little bit more about these interesting benchmarks? And I'm pretty sure everybody will be interested in seeing that.
Yep, we have done some benchmark based on the V8, and we've tested the Raspberry Pi 5 and the Raspberry Pi Computer Module 4, and we've tested the Pi 5 and Module 4 with Hello, and we also tested the NVIDIA adjacent Orin, and we've got some interesting results. The first is that Raspberry Pi 5 and CM4 struggled to run V8 object detection without NPU accelerator. It's only 1 to 2 frames per second. But with the help of Hello, it boosts the performance. The CM4 to the 38 FPS, and the Pi 5 are even higher, like 42 FPS. And we also see that the frame rates are doubled with the PCIe Gen3 compared to PCIe Gen2. It reaches 82 FPS. And Pi and Hello has excellent power consumption performance. It's with overall 5 to 6 watts. We know the typical power consumption of Hello is 3 watts. And Hello official staff told us due to the advanced NPU structure, they removed the on-chip DDR that reduced both the price and the power consumption. All of the above, making it an ideal edge AI solution. And we also did a benchmark with the post estimation. Let me check let me switch
another diagram, right?
Yep. Post estimation.
Okay. So it's quite similar for the post estimation.
It's quite similar to the results.
Yeah, so it's really interesting to see that the CM4 also involved in this benchmarking and also show nice results, right? So actually, I heard a lot about. I heard you mention a lot of times about the lower power consumption. Actually, the lower power consumption is always a good choice for edge computing and edge AI scenarios. So it sounds our team has done a lot. So and also I think it would be a great idea, and we will upload this benchmark and test result to our GitHub page, GitHub channel, and also our wiki page. So every one of you can just come and join us and tell us what you want us to test and what you expected from us to do more benchmarking, and we will make it happen. So speaking of you leave your comments to us, so I want to just take 1 second to remind any of you in our live room. So just feel free to leave your comments in our comment box, because just in a few minutes, we are going to have our first round lucky draw. So you are going to have the chance to take this Raspberry Pi AI kit. Yeah. So back to the topic of the Raspberry Pi and AI, Aidan. So what if I wanted to really use this kit or these hardware solutions? So how would you recommend me? For example, you did a lot of benchmarks, right? So when is better to use the Raspberry Pi 5 in AI kit, then when is better to use the CM4 together with this kit?
Well, generally speaking, CM4 with Hello has very well AI performance. It will cover most AI applications since it reached nearly 14 FPS. Yes. And it's more than enough for most real-world AI requirements. And it has a lower power consumption and lower cost. But for the high-speed object detection, like a bird in the flight, Pi 5 and Hello will be a better solution.
Okay, so we're talking so many things. So Aidan, as product manager, do you have any roadmaps or plans for these kind of products?
Yep, actually we do have some product plan.
Wow.
But I think it's time for the lucky draw. We'll talk about it later.
Okay, so thank you reminding me though. Okay. So so now is our first round lucky draw. Okay, so our first round lucky draw will be this $17 Raspberry Pi AI kit. So let me see your words in our comment box. And yeah, so I will capture my screen here. I think Aidan, you wanna give
switch the
yes
window.
to my phone. So let me see any of
Who's
your
the lucky
comments
guy?
here, and I will capture my screen very randomly, and I will select the very first top user for our first round lucky draw. So come on, guys, just let me see your words,
reply
okay?
anything.
Yeah, anything is welcome. So I will give a few seconds for you to leave your words here, okay? So come on, guys, let me see your words.
Okay,
Yeah,
3.
I see Dave. Hi, Jiahao. Jeff. Oh, Jeff, you're coming. Welcome. So I think you are also very.
Oh, Jeff Green? Really?
Yes, yes. Hi, welcome. All right, so
I'm
let's.
fine with Jeff.
Yes, me too. So let's count down. Okay, Aidan, let's count down together.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Here you go. So
let's see who's the lucky guy.
anyone? Let me see who is the lucky guy. Dave M.
Dave M. Congratulations.
Hi, congrats. Dave M, congrats. You got this Raspberry Pi AI kit for free. Okay, you are our first lucky winner. So, okay, so Dave M, so please make sure you email to our seed official email address and get your free Raspberry Pi AI kit. Okay, so I'm so excited. I'm so excited about the lucky draw always. So actually my idol for Raspberry Pi also coming, Jeff Gilling. I'm so excited. So let's just come down and yeah, take a breath from our excitement we just went through. Okay.
To talk about.
Yeah, exactly. So back to the topic, Aidan. So what's your roadmap then? So share something.
Okay, actually, City is about to release several M.2 NVMe slot hats for the Raspberry Pi 5. The first one is this single slot M.5 hat for Raspberry Pi.
Mm-hmm. So this is interesting, but actually there are already some similar and also good products in the market already, and also the official one has been out for a while. So what actually makes this one from CStudio so special or so promising?
Yeah, we have seen a lot of well-made products like the official hats and the primary hats, but our seed hats we have some different features. I'd like to show more detail to you guys. Let me just switch the window.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a look at it.
Mm-hmm.
First of all, it supports multiple form factors. You can see the 2280, 2260, 2242, and 2230. I know users have different size SSD on their hands, and with this hat, whatever you have, it will be compatible with Pi 5. And we also add the pogo pin here, so it can provide extra power if you want to use larger, like 40 SSD. And this is a bottom install version, so it will not interfere with your 40p GPIO or any other head you want to add.
Yeah, it sounds like you consider a lot of factors to design these little boards. So, and it sounds like very easy to set up, right? So, but still, for this one, I have another question. Is that because what if I need large storage and also AI capabilities at the same time? Because obviously, this single channel is not enough for that, right?
Yep, and that's why we prepared the dual channel version.
Wow.
We have these two M.2 slots, and we special made this Rubin cable so that you can remove or insert the SD card easily.
Mm-hmm. I love that FPC cable.
The SSD and the accelerator, it's towards the bottom, so you have a better airflow, and which means a better heat dissipation. And we've also made a 3D print case for this hat, so it's very easy to mount, and you can remove or install the SSD without need to mount the whole thing.
Yeah, I love this cutie 3D printed case, and so this for this new dual channel version is PCIe Gen3 or PCIe Gen2, because previous benchmark also shows us that the AI performance is much better with the PCIe Gen3 rather than the Gen2.
Yep, actually the answer is both. We will release two versions, both PCIe Gen2 hub and PCIe Gen3 hub. So you know the PCIe Gen2 version will be cheaper.
Yes.
And the PCIe Gen3 version will be much faster.
Exactly. So for different needs for people, right?
Yep.
So that's really good news to know you have both versions for that. So when will it be available for all of us?
It's about early August.
Early August.
Yep.
So it's only half month to go, right? So I bet everyone will be very excited to get one and play with it. So yeah, we are sweet to prepare 10 free coupon code for you to get this M2 hat, upcoming M2 hat. So Aidan, could you please showcase the coupon code for the M2 hat? Yes, sure. Exactly here.
Here we go.
Yeah, so 10 coupon codes for you. So you can place
RPi.
your orders, yes, for this M2 hat with this coupon code once it's available on our eShop, okay? So just mark down this coupon code. Yeah, please make sure you mark down this coupon code and come to our bazaar and place your orders. Okay, so I think it's...
Next round.
Yeah, I think it's time again for the second round lucky draw. So guys, another Raspberry Pi AI kit, $70 for you. So same rules, just let me see your words, let me see your name in our comment box.
Reply anything.
Yeah, I think everyone now is very familiar with these rules already. So here we go.
Here we go.
Okay, I saw a lot of words here. I saw Eric, hello. Parker, who, hello. Everyone, you're here. Rick, hello. Welcome to our live show.
Wow.
So many people. Welcome, guys.
Okay.
So
let's count down.
Yeah, I think everyone cannot wait for the lucky draw. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Here you go.
Let's see.
Okay, let's see who is the lucky winner. Oh, this
Wow.
one.
Such a long ID. Lulu.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Congrats. I'm not sure we pronounced your name correctly, but we have this screenshot here, and
Just
this
contact us.
Yes, this lucky winner. You please make sure to contact Seed Official and get your lucky winner products. Okay, and thank you all of the guys. You're so nice to leave so many comments here, and yeah, so we just showcased demos about the benchmarks about the Raspberry Pi and the AI kit. But actually for me, it's kind of like, because I just saw a lot of benchmarks about that, but for the real world use or for the real world applications, it's still few to see, you know?
Yep.
Yeah, so do you have any ideas or do you have any plans? Because you see, we have so many CM4-based device for real use device, right? So do you have any ideas or do you have any plans to combine these devices together with this Raspberry Pi AI kit or AI capability to put it into real world use then?
Yep, because the Hello just a new accelerator for Raspberry Pi community. So we made a distribution box demo with our Recomputer R1000 and the AI Hello Kit.
The distribution box, that's familiar to us.
Yep.
We just showcased it in our last live show in the last month. So Aidan, so actually this is the same distribution box, or do you there is any difference between this time and the last time? Could you please show us a little bit more detail for it?
Well, I think Jenna, I think you can show this demo to our audience.
Me?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
May I? Okay, then I will be here. So
So just wave your hand.
With my hand. So
Yep.
should I stand up a little bit, right? Okay. So with my hand forward to the camera, right? So okay.
You see the
lights.
lights, and now just clap your hand.
Okay, clap my hand.
And light on.
Oh,
And
that's
wave your
amazing.
hand.
Okay, wave my hands.
Light off. Clap your hand.
Okay, clap my
Okay,
hands.
that's enough.
Okay, That's really interesting. Okay, thank you for inviting me to showcase this demo. Okay, that's really interesting. Though, how do you guys make this happen? So maybe you wanted to.
Well, it's quite simple. I'd like to open this little magic box.
Oh, really?
And
so you are gonna showcase the magic inside there, right?
You can see more detail.
All right. So I think.
Okay.
Dun 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 dun. That's nice.
Okay, we've got a Recomputer R1000 and the terminal DM and some router, and this is a Modbus relay controller and some power supplier. Okay, the whole demo is about input and output. The input is this camera. It captures the pulse and records some video and then send to the Recomputer R. We run YOLO V8 on the Recomputer R, and YOLO recognize the pulse, and it passes the command through the MQTT server to the Node-RED. Yes, we will also run a Node-RED demo on Recomputer R, and Node-RED will pass this command to the to this relay control board via the Modbus, and the relay board is control this light. And at the same time, we use UDP to output this video to the return DM so that you guys can see this thing more clearly. And it's about introduce AI capability to the automation control system. And we just make this camera to be a post sensor, and Recomputer R is perfect for this AI application because it's a very well heat dissipation, and we have this
temperature gun.
Temperature gun. Let's see, the temperature is only like 41 degrees. Actually, we've run this demo since last night, so it's still 41 degrees.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all about the hardware part. Let's talk about the software part later.
Yeah, that's cool.
The hardware is quite simple, and actually the software is.
What kind of software platforms are you using to build this
demo? It's also very
demo?
simple. Let me check. Let me switch the window.
So I saw the secrets. That's not red.
Actually, it's no red.
Yes. That's cool.
You see, it's just drag and drop. It's just
no code.
And then config and connect this node. It's no code coding. So it's very easy to deploy this project. You don't need to be AI hardware experts. You don't need to be having a lot of experience with AI. You just only need to know how to use a Raspberry Pi.
That's awesome. Even for me, I'm a Raspberry Pi user, but not that familiar with AI. It's kind of like you're telling me that for me, I can also deploy this demo just with one click, right?
Yep.
That's
and also
good.
We will open source the whole project, and we will upload to our wiki page.
That's nice. So Aidan, I think you can showcase a little bit about our GitHub page for our users, because here we actually have already gathered a lot of discussions about our project, about our products, even about our roadmaps. So you can see here people are just leave a lot of comments about like Raspberry Pi and AI kits, Raspberry Pi devices and Home Assistant OS, and maybe also Balena OS. Actually, we are also working on it. We are providing dedicated tutorial for you to solve your problem. So it's really nice. So you can our users can give us so many feedback, and we learn from your feedback, and we build up our products from your feedback. Thank you. So
and we've got this AI platform.
Yes.
See the AI platform. You can just upload your mod and download mod with just one click.
Wow.
And right now it supports JSON and we will support Raspberry Pi in the future.
Raspberry Pi will come in soon, right?
Yep.
That's great. So actually for your demo, you just showcased Aidan. From my understanding, it's kind of like you were showcasing a demo in our live room, but what we CStudio actually want to deliver is that with all of our efforts, we can utilize in AI to help people to solve real world problems, but not just talking about AI philosophy or something like that, right?
Yep.
So because you built this distribution box with our Recomputer R1000 inside there, you use the AI kit. So why don't you introduce a little bit more why this Recomputer R1000 is so suitable for the industrial, for the edge AI scenarios?
Yep. Let's have a closer look at this little device.
Sure.
Switch this.
We need to give some time to Aidan because he's so busy to switch the windows here to let you see the. Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay. We'll go to the outside part at first, and we've got two Ethernet ports here. One is gigabit and one is 100 megabit, and we've got a debug port, USB-C, and we've got three RS485, and you can configure this port like Modbus or BSNet or other industry protocol. And we've got two USB 2 and HDMI display, and this is the power input. It supports both AC and DC power input. And we've got a SIM card slot, so you can work with your 4G. And we have two antenna hole here. And this is the DIN rail mount hole. And we have 6 LED, power, status, user, and 3 serious communication. You can see these LEDs both front side and the outside.
Yeah.
And at last we've got this whole big heatsink. So that's why it has a very well heat dissipation. And let's see what inside the PCBA. Okay, we've got SIM4 here. This device is boot from the eMMC on the SIM4, especially if you have some application 24/7 and frequently and read and write. It will very easily for the micro SD card to broken.
Okay.
But with this eMMC, you will have a more reliable. And we've got here is the PoE port, so you can power this device with a single Ethernet cable. And we have here a UPS module, so you can mount the UPS module here if this power down, and it can still supply power for this whole device like 30 seconds, so you can safely save your data. And we got a buzzer here for some alarm, and this port we've introduced before.
Yes. And
this big heatsink.
Yes.
And let's see what the other side. Okay. We've got two mini PCIe slots, so you can insert the LoRa module or the 4G LTE module or Zigbee module.
Wireless connection.
The good thing is that you can use both LoRa and LTE at the same time.
Okay, that's nice.
And we got RTC, and we also have a hardware watchdog based on the RTC. And we have a M.2 slot.
M.2 slot.
So so you can use SSD for the massive storage, or you can use the new Hello accelerator. For the AI application. Well, that is PCIe part. Actually, to make it reliable for the real world application, AI application, we have done a lot of work to make it reliable. We have do many EMC protection, ESD protection, sugar protection, and we also do a lot of to make it the temperature.
Yeah.
It can work normally from the -20 to 70 degree.
Oh, really? For industrial scenarios, right?
Yep.
Yeah, that's really cool. So it sounds like you consider a lot of things to make this a real
Reliable
reliable
devices.
And I heard you mention the ultra power consumption for the SIM4 and fanless design here, and also the onboard eMMC. And yeah, it's only $209 and really reasonable price for you to deploy in the real world for HAI.
You just mentioned the fanless design. You know the fan. No fans means no broken, no dusting. It's very important for the very your serious products.
Yeah, that's really cool. And I also someone is asking about this is the RAM and the eMMC is solid. We actually provide the 4 GB RAM and 32 GB eMMC for users, and also we have the other versions, right?
We have several different type. You can use 4 GB or 8 GB and eMMC from 16 GB eMMC to 32 GB eMMC.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, and actually for making a better ecosystem for these devices, we also talked to a lot of partners and also a lot of clients.
Software partners.
Yeah, software partners and also clients. Actually, for our clients, some of them, they are already deploying this box together with the AI kit. Or
we have a wiki page to.
Yeah, I know. So and also they are on the way to showcase to put it in really deployed in scenarios like smart buildings, like supermarket behavior analysis, or like waste sorting and so on. And for the software partners, we actually worked with a wide range of partners. Like for example, Aidan, yes, you are showcase the wiki page.
Yep.
Yes. For example, for the industrial age, we work with Nero from Spain, and like for example for SCADA, we work with like Fuxa. Yeah, Fuxa. Yeah, and for fleet management, and we also working with Balena, and like for cloud service, like we work with AWS to provide you more possibilities to deploy this hardware. So and actually more is coming. So just make sure every of you can let us know what you need from us, what you need for this little device, and share your thoughts in our comment box or in our GitHub channel, and we will make it happen. We build it for you. Okay. So let me check if.
Third round.
Yeah. That. Oh yeah. Third round.
Lucky draw.
Lucky draw. Yeah. This round, I prepared this Recomputer R1000 for you, $209 for you. So, everyone here, you very know these rules, and let's just get started, play with it.
Okay.
Okay.
Change the window.
Let's play the game. Come on, guys. Do you want this Recomputer R1000? $200 for free? Yes. And let me see your words. Let me see your comments here.
To reply anything?
Yeah. It seems like my phone has a little bit delay on showcase people's comments.
Perhaps you can reconnect your phone.
All right, so let me try it again. Let me re-enter this live room, okay?
And restart it.
Yeah. All right. So.
Sorry for the network condition.
Okay, I saw your words. Sorry for my delay on that. Wow.
So many replies. Okay.
It's time.
Let's do it.
It's time.
Calm
Really?
down.
Really?
Okay.
$200 for the Recomputer R1000. Wow, so fast. Oh my God. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Here you go. Okay, let's check who is the one. 加号 Hello. Congrats. Congrats. You got this Recomputer R1000. Okay, so let's make sure again. Okay, 嘉浩, hello. So congrats. So make sure you contact us and get your Recomputer R1000. Okay, and yeah. People who didn't get this lucky draw is okay because we prepared the 10% off for this Recomputer R1000. So we prepared actually the coupon code for you, and you can just use this coupon code to place your orders, and you can get like about $28 off for that, and also another 10 coupon code for the M2 hat. So actually, I think it's time to wrap up for today's live show. We are, Aidan and I and everyone at CStudio, we are so grateful for you to be here with us in this live show and share your thoughts with us and yeah, interactive in this comment box with us, right? So and we are actually now it's really nearing the end of today's live show, and actually today we showcase the interesting benchmark of this Raspberry Pi and Raspberry Pi and AI kit for you. I hope you like it, and tell us what you want more from us, and we will make it happen. And we were also thrilled to share that this SIM4 device, together with this powerful AI kit, to solve real-world problems and show you the possibilities. Yes, and again, everyone, don't forget to use this limited coupon code for place your order,
Okay,
and let us know your
coupon code
again. Yes, mark the coupon code here. Yes, and please make sure to show your thoughts with us on our GitHub channel, email to us, or anywhere you can find us. Just let us know your ideas. Let us know what you need, and we make it happen.
Yep.
Yeah.
Time flies.
Yeah.
It's time to say
yeah.
goodbye.
So it's time to say goodbye, and see you next time.
See you.
See you. Bye bye. Thank you. 关了吗？
怎么了？
关了吗？关了不？All right，嘉豪，你的。